Wait, is that water on Mars?
Dad, that red one, what is it?
That red star, Jack, that is not a star. That is a planet.
That is Mars, Jack. A whole planet, like Earth, but very different.
Come, sit together. We can learn about Mars right now.
The screen came alive, and Mars filled the room.
Look, it is really red. Very, very red.
It is so red!
So red.
They love it.
Of course they do.
The surface of Mars, red, rocky, ancient, and full of secrets.
What is that planet? What is it called?
This is Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, our neighbor in space.
Here is Earth, and here, next to us, is Mars.
Mars is next to Earth.
Exactly right.
How far is Mars? Is it very far from Earth?
Mars is very, very, very far away.
248 million kilometers from Earth. That is how far Mars is.
248 million? That is impossible.
Can we go there one day? Please, I want to go.
And then, on the screen, something unexpected. Mars has not one moon, it has two.
2 moons?
Wow moment number 1. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos.
Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are very small and not round, very different from our moon.
Jack closed his eyes, and for a moment, he was already there.
I want to be an astronaut. I will go to Mars one day.
But do you know why Mars is red? Do you know the secret?
But why is Mars red? What makes it red? There must be a reason. Oh, I know this one. Watch this. I can show you. Look at these 2 nails. What is different? Look carefully.
Up close rust looks like this. Orange, red, rough, like Mars soil.
This is iron. Iron is a metal, and iron is everywhere in the soil of Mars. Iron plus oxygen makes rust. Iron oxide. That is the science word. Iron oxide.
This is rust? It smells strange, but it is interesting. Mars is rusty. The whole planet is rusty.
The soil of Mars. Look at the color. Red, orange, just like rust.
That is exactly right, Sophia. Mars soil has iron oxide. It is rusty.
The whole planet, every rock, every mountain, every grain of sand, all rusty.
Wow moment number 2. Mars is red because it is rusty. Iron oxide, the rusty planet.
But what about the sky? What color is the sky on Mars?
The sky on Mars, not blue, something very different, something alien.
The sky on Mars is orange. Mars has red dust, very small particles, always in the air.
Earth sky, blue. Mars sky, orange. Very different worlds.
Blue is beautiful.
Orange is more amazing.
Under an orange sky, Jack walked slowly across the red ground.
The average temperature on Mars? Minus 60 degrees Celsius. Very, very cold.
Minus 60 degrees? That is so cold. I am cold just thinking about it.
Earth has thick air, an atmosphere. Mars has very thin air. Very, very thin. No oxygen? We cannot breathe on Mars? Is that true?
You need a spacesuit. Like this astronaut, a spacesuit has its own air, its own oxygen.
But was there water on Mars before, long ago?
Then something unexpected happened. A special guest appeared on the screen.
Hello, explorers! I am so happy to be here with you today.
I am a Mars scientist. I study Mars every day. It is my job, and I love it.
A real Mars scientist?
Hello, we have so many questions. I have a question. What is a rover? What does it do on Mars?
A rover is a robot. It travels on the surface of Mars for us. It is our eyes and hands on Mars.
Alone on Mars, moving slowly, sending pictures back to Earth.
It is a robot car! A robot car on Mars! That is the most amazing thing.
A rover has 6 wheels, a camera, and a robotic arm. Each part has a job.
Wheels to move. Camera to see. Arm to collect rocks and soil.
But how do you control it? Mars is so far away. How does the signal reach it?
A signal from Earth to Mars, 248 million kilometers. How long does it take? Wow moment number 3. The signal takes 20 minutes to reach Mars from Earth. 20 whole minutes.
You send the message, you wait 20 minutes, then the rover hears it. Then you wait 20 more minutes for the answer.
Robot moving very slowly on Mars.
Ha, yes, exactly right. The rover is very patient. It waits for our instructions.
But the rover can also think for itself. It has a computer brain, artificial intelligence.
Oh, like a real brain. It can make decisions by itself.
Alone on Mars, millions of kilometers from home, the rover takes its picture.
Rover jack, exploring, mapping, terrain, oof, obstacle, detected.
Now, are you ready for the most incredible thing about water on Mars? Now, I want to show you something incredible. Are you ready?
Billions of years ago, Mars looked like this.
Mars had oceans? Real oceans? With real water?
Wow moment number 4. Mars had oceans billions of years ago. Real liquid water. A real ocean world.
Long ago, Mars was different. Blue sky, liquid water, oceans covering much of the surface.
Billions of years ago, Mars was warm. It had rivers, it had rain, it had oceans.
4 billion years of history, from a living water world to the dry red planet we see today.
But what happened? Where did the water go?
Mars lost its magnetic shield. Without a shield, the sun's energy, solar wind, slowly removed the atmosphere.
Earth has a magnetic shield. It protects our air and water. Mars lost its shield long ago.
The sun's energy, solar wind, slowly took the air, and without air, the water dried up. So the water disappeared very slowly over millions and millions of years?
Yes, very slowly. Over billions of years, Mars became dry and cold and still.
These shapes in the rock, they were once a river. Millions of years ago, water flowed here.
That was a river, a real river on Mars, millions of years ago.
Millions of years ago, water flowed on Mars, like our rivers on Earth. But if there was water, was there life on Mars?
We do not know. Not yet. That is the truth. That is the honest answer.
But scientists are searching right now, every day. The answer may come very soon.
Maybe very small life, like bacteria, something tiny. Maybe it existed long ago.
Alien bacteria on Mars? Wait, is that scary or is that cool?
The family laughed. It was a good kind of laugh, the laugh of discovery.
But we haven't talked about the biggest thing on Mars, the thing that will blow your mind.
The biggest thing on Mars. Are you ready? This one is very, very special.
What is it? Tell us, what is the biggest thing on Mars?
A volcano.
A volcano on Mars?
Olympus Mons, the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. Look at its size. Wow moment number 5. Olympus Mons is 21 kilometers tall, the tallest volcano in the solar system. Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, 8.8 kilometers. Olympus Mons, 21 kilometers, 3 times taller.
Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Everest. 3! Look how tall that is.
3 times taller than Everest? Everest is 8 kilometers. Olympus Mons is 21. Can you imagine that?
Everest, here, Olympus Mons, all the way up here, 3 times the height.
The biggest mountain on the biggest question. Loop 3, closed.
Mars is incredible. Everything on Mars is huge.
In his mind, Jack stood at the foot of Olympus Mons and looked up and up and up.
And Mars has a canyon, a giant canyon called Valles Marineris, longer than the USA.
Valles Marineris, the Great Canyon of Mars, 4 times deeper than the Grand Canyon.
The canyon goes from here all the way to here, longer than the entire USA.
Mars is so incredible. I want to learn everything about it. Everything.
You will. You ask the best questions, Anna. The very best.
I will go to Mars. I will study. I will work hard. I will go.
Ha ha ha! Rover Brown. Exploring, mapping, terrain. Oof! Obstacle detected.
You have the spirit of a scientist. I can see it in you. Study hard. Dream big. The next great discovery may be yours.
Jack was quiet for a long moment, and something changed.
What a planet!
I have everything. Mars facts, all of them. Listen to this.
Mars, red, rusty, cold.
2 moons. Very tall volcano.
And ancient water. Don't forget, there was ancient water on Mars.
And maybe ancient life still out there somewhere.
Wow moment number 6. Humans may walk on Mars within your lifetime. It may really happen. The family looked at the screen and then at each other and smiled.
Maybe you, Jack. Maybe you will go to Mars.
Jack smiled, the biggest smile of the whole night.
So Jack, what do you need to do to get there?
Study, learn, and never stop trying.
And ask why. Always ask why.
Today, we learned about Mars, red planet, rusty planet, cold planet, full of secrets.
I have a new question, a big one. Are you ready?
Can we live on Mars? Could humans build a home there one day?
Maybe. With the right technology, with a dome, with oxygen, maybe.
That is a question for next time. See
you next time.
Goodbye.
Easy with Ella. Discover the world, learn the words. Subscribe for more discoveries, new episodes every week. Coming next, a new adventure, a new discovery, a new question. Are you ready?
Mars, the red planet, still turning, still waiting, full of ancient secrets. Until next time, Mars, we will come back. We promise.